Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best cordless drill under 150 you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best cordless drill under 150 in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is DEWALT 20 volts DC D771C2 Max cordless drill. This is the DEWALT DC-D771C2 20 volts max cordless half-inch compact drill driver kit that is compact in size. Similar to the others DEWALT products, this one comes with a powerful motor that can provide a wide range of applications. It is possible to have a pleasant user experience thanks to the single sleeve of half-inch the chuck, which has a great gripping force. DEWALT drill is compact and lightweight design that fits into tight areas. High-performance motor of the power drill delivers 300 unit watts out of power ability completing a wide range of applications. High-speed transmission of DEWALT 20 volts drill delivers 2 speeds 0 to 450 and 1500 revolutions per minute for a range of fastening and drilling applications. Half-inch single sleeve ratcheting chuck provides tight bit gripping strength. Ergonomic handle delivers comfort and control. Tool height 6.5 inch. The charger is designed to operate on standard 120 volts household electrical power. Do not attempt to use it on any other voltage. This does not apply to the vehicular charger. For details, let's watch more. Our second best cordless drill under 150 is Bosch 12 volts cordless drill. If you're looking for a cordless drill that has more power than more powerful drills, but is small enough to be easy to carry around the house, look into the Bosch PS312A. While this is a model with a 12 volt voltage, it's got plenty of power and maximum speed of 1300 revolutions per minute. And with a capacity of 265 inches-pounds, it's a lot of power too. It weighs less than 2 pounds, and it has 7-inch heads, making it light and compact enough to be carried wherever you'll want it. There are plenty of features available in the Bosch drill, which includes a 21-stage clutch, a variable speed trigger, 3/8-inch chuck and soft grip handle, an LED light for work and a battery-mounted side gauge to help users determine how long they'll work until it's time to recharge. The drill kit comes with 2 batteries as well as the soft-sided carrying case. The Bosch battery offers a remarkable runtime, and often beats even the larger 18-volt drills. The cordless drill driver boasts integrated LED lights for improved visibility, allowing you to work anywhere, anytime, even in dark corners and low light areas. For details, let's watch more. Third pick in our list is BLACKDECKER 20 volts max cordless drill. It's durable, reliable and suitable for all jobs around the home. The BLACKDECKER 20 volts drill/driver comes with the model number LDX120C, a cordless drill that is small and lightweight, making it perfect for DIY projects at home in small space. A clutch with 11 positions prevents removal of screws and delivers exact power when you need it. The integrated LED light on in front illuminates the way even in dark areas. The LDX120C has the user 115 pounds of torque as well as the 650 revolutions per minute speed to drill fast and easily through drywall plastic, metal, and wood. The drill might be small, however it packs the capacity of a larger one, with a heavier weight, and its ergonomic handle and light design allow the drill to be comfortable to carry around your wrists. It's affordable enough to be a fantastic addition to any DIYer's toolkit, and it comes with 2 years of warranty. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is DEWALT DCD777C2 20V cordless drill. The DCD777C2 20V Max Lithium-Ion Compact Drill/Driver Kit is lightweight and compact for working in tight spaces for long periods of time. High-speed transmission delivers 2 speed variations, allowing users to choose the level of performance needed for various applications. This cordless power drill has compact and lightweight design that can tackle a wide range of applications and features a 2-speed transmission and single-sleeve ratcheting chuck. This power drill is compact. Lightweight design fits into tight areas. Ergonomic comfort grip handle of DEWALT 20V drill provides ideal balance and tool control. LED light with 20-second trigger release delay provides increased visibility in dark or confined spaces. For details, let's watch more. Last in our best cordless drill under 150 list is Worx WX 176 liters 20V cordless drill. The Worx the 20V switch driver, the only thing you need to do is hit a button, and then turn the 2 heads in the direction of which you prefer. There are 2 pieces you want to make use of. This is a great method to make simple tasks such as making a pilot hole, then inserting the screw. Also, with its 20V PowerShare battery, this tool comes with plenty of power as well as a long battery life to complete many of the tasks that are easy in the home. The drill is equipped with 2 chucks of 1/4 inch, and you don't require tools to set up or replace the bits you'd like. There are 12 different torque settings and 2 speeds. Low ranges from 0 to 400 revolutions per minute, and high is between 0 and 1500 revolutions per minute. The automatic torque control prevents the annoying stripping of screws and destruction to surfaces you're working on. It even has a built-in LED work light, which is useful for working in dim lighting, for example, under sinks. For details, let's watch more.